What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best home garage car lift on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is XKL2900 220 volts car lift. XKL2900 car lift is designed for vehicle maintenance and repair in workshops and garages where durability and strength are essential. This product supports up to 9,000 pounds of load, making it suitable for a wide range of automobiles, including sedans, sport utility vehicles, and light-duty trucks. It operates using a 220-volt motor that helps provide consistent performance during long-term use. The system is built to work efficiently while offering stability and reliable lifting capabilities. With a strong structure, it uses thick cable and a high-strength pulley that help reduce pressure during use and extend the cable's lifespan. The inclusion of a nylon slider contributes to smooth movement of the carriage, making lifting and lowering vehicles easier and more secure. Protection is also considered with rubber door guards that help protect vehicle surfaces from damage while in position. Its safety system uses a double locking mechanism to offer peace of mind during operation. This model is designed with industrial applications in mind and includes parts that are engineered to hold up under heavy, repeated use. It is shipped in large packaging that requires proper equipment for unloading, such as a forklift or similar lifting machine. For customers without unloading tools, terminal pickup can be arranged to ensure smooth delivery. The overall size and design of the XKL2900 make it a valuable option for professionals looking to increase shop efficiency while handling heavier vehicles safely. It is tailored for users who demand long-lasting equipment built to perform in demanding work environments. In our list, the number 4 product name is APlusLift Overhead Clear Floor Car Lift. APlusLift HW-10Co-A car lift is built for handling heavy-duty tasks in garages or professional automotive environments. This model supports up to 10,000 pounds of weight, making it useful for raising a wide variety of vehicles such as trucks, utility vans, or passenger cars. It combines both symmetrical and asymmetrical arm designs, allowing flexible support and contact points during operation. The structure is reinforced with double S-shaped columns and a strong carriage material known as Q355, which provides more strength than the common Q235 steel. This improvement helps ensure better durability and stability while lifting heavier vehicles. The entire frame features a powder-coated finish which contributes to long-term use by resisting wear and corrosion in high-use areas. Its hydraulic mechanism and lift structure meet certification standards and have been tested to handle well beyond typical operating loads. Dynamic and static pressure tests show the lift can work under stress, delivering dependable service during every use. The truck adapters included allow users to lift vehicles with higher frames, expanding its usefulness beyond standard sedans or compact cars. Dimensions of the unit make it a solid option for locations with the necessary space. The lift also offers a generous lifting height, accommodating vehicle inspections and underbody service with more room to work. Steel parts and welded joints add further reliability. For any professional workspace aiming to handle more vehicles with stronger tools, this equipment brings enhanced lifting performance with tested quality and design. In our list, the number 3 product name is Triumph Floor Plate Auto Car Lift. The Triumph NT-11 2-post lift is designed for raising vehicles with a total weight capacity of 11,000 pounds. This unit is constructed from strong alloy steel and is designed to handle regular lifting needs in automotive shops, garages, or service stations. It includes installation hardware that simplifies setup and helps ensure the equipment is stable during use. The model provides a maximum lifting height of 72 inches, allowing sufficient clearance under most vehicles for maintenance or inspections. Its overall height stands at 116 inches, while the overall width measures 138 inches. The distance between the posts is 112 inches, making it suitable for vehicles with various widths and configurations. Its base plate design provides solid floor support, helping improve balance and strength while lifting larger vehicles. A lowered height of 4.5 inches makes it easier to position cars under the arms before lifting begins. The product meets international standards, having both ISO 9001 and CE certification. This demonstrates compliance with quality and safety measures required in professional settings. Included truck adapters add flexibility to raise different types of vehicles, including trucks and sport utility vehicles. The equipment also comes with floor anchors that assist in securing the posts into concrete, offering more support during operations. Built for reliable performance and made with durable materials, this car lift provides automotive service centers with a dependable tool for routine vehicle lifting tasks across a range of car models and weights. In our list, the number 2 product name is APlusLift Portable Mid-Rise Scissor Lift. The APlusLift 6,600-pound portable mid-rise scissor lift offers a helpful solution for raising different types of vehicles. With a sturdy build and practical structure, it supports many automotive needs in personal garages or light commercial spaces. This lift operates using 110-volt power and has a wide base, giving reliable contact with the ground surface during use. The total lifting height reaches 55 inches, which is suitable for performing tire changes, suspension work, and other undercarriage tasks. Adjustable screw pads allow positioning flexibility for a wide range of vehicle types. The lift comes with truck adapters that help provide additional height for lifting larger vehicles. Its maximum length measures 88 5/16 inches and maximum width is 78 3/4 inches, offering enough space for small cars or larger automobiles. The dual hydraulic cylinder system supports stable lifting and lowering actions, helping maintain safety while a vehicle is elevated. The lift's frame includes a triple roller design, improving balance and creating stronger grip between the equipment and the floor. This structure allows smoother operation and reduces movement during lifting procedures. Its gray and orange finish makes it easily visible and adds a modern appearance to any workspace. Designed for mid-rise lifting situations, this scissor lift can be a reliable addition for automotive enthusiasts or small service operations. With a focus on convenience and usability, it offers important support for performing car maintenance, wheel service, and routine inspection work without needing large or permanent installation. In our list, the number 1 product name is Catul 11,000 pounds 2-post lift auto lift. This 11,000-pound 2-post lift by Catul is made for vehicle maintenance and repair environments where strong support and reliability are needed. The equipment includes a clear floor design, offering easy movement underneath vehicles for various service jobs. Its red exterior gives it high visibility in busy spaces like automotive garages and professional workshops. With a maximum lifting height of 70.75 inches, this system can raise most types of vehicles, including passenger cars, sport utility vehicles, and light trucks. The structure works well for spaces needing a dependable lift without consuming much floor area. The setup includes a dual hydraulic chain drive cylinder configuration that improves the lifting process and ensures stability throughout operation. This model has been tested for 115% of its dynamic capacity and 150% of its static strength, showing its ability to handle heavy use safely. The safety certification meets CE standards, which adds to its reliability for consistent usage. The lift is compatible with both 220-volt and 110-volt electrical systems, which helps users install it in different environments. Included extension adapters measuring 30mm and 120mm give the system added flexibility for fitting a wider range of vehicle types and heights. This lift allows more control over car positioning and vehicle height during service, making it useful for various underbody repairs or part replacements. Its construction and function suit those who manage vehicle repairs regularly and need a solid, long-lasting lifting tool.